Hello friends, I am Dr. Bharat Gadak, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRTR, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College. Student friends, I am warmly welcome you to today's class. We are talking about GGDT 114, Principle of Population and Settlement Geography. The paper number is 4 and semester number is 4 and topic number is 5. Topic name is Fertility and Mortality. Now today we are talking about the learn topic name is death rates and its measure. Now last lecture will be discussed what is mean by mortality, what is mean by morbidity, will be rates and which is the rates of death rates and measures will be discussion of today's topic. Now last topic will be discussion from the someone is another one more important here too. The topic name is fertility and mortality. Now here the concept of fertility and here crude birth rate, total fertility, concept of baby boom, concept of morbidity and mortality, morbidity and mortality will be discussed last lecture. Now today's lecture will be death rates and its measure. Now last lecture level and trends of mortality. Now student, this is the some mortality. Now mortality is one of the three component population change. The other two being fertility and migration. Historically, the factors of mortality as a play the dominant roles in determining the growth of population, the size of which fluctuated in the past of mainly response of variation of mortality. The increase in the population of European countries following the Industrial Revolution in the 17th century was mainly due to the decline in the death rates. The developing countries, which is undergoing the typical demographic transition, have also been affected initially by the fall in the death of rates. In fact, the single most important contribution of demography has been the revolution of the fact that sharp decline in mortality rates, rather than any rise in the fertility rates, have been responsible for bringing about the rapid growth of population. The study of mortality is useful for analyzing the current demographic condition as well as determining the prospect of the potential changes in mortality condition of the future. The public health administration depends on heavily of the study on mortality, the statistics of death in the population cross classified by the age, sex and cause death are great value for the formulation, implementation and evolution of public health programmers. Statistics of the death also form the basis of the policy of insurance companies. It is also course possible to study mortality several angles and for various biological, social, economical and cultural factors affect the health of the individual and consequently the mortality rates the society. This factor effective affecting mortality can be classified under heredity, constitution and environment. When the mortality is viewed from the demographic point of view, it is studied to determine the changes in the population size and structure rather than that the medical angle. The demographic study of mortality therefore does not usually take into consideration of genetic factor. The remaining two factors, namely in the constitutional of the environmental factor, on the other hand, provide the basis on the demographic analysis of mortality. Of the various constitutional factors, including the physiological, anatomical, and psychological characteristics of man, the most important for the demographic study of the mortality are the age and sex. The environmental factors affecting mortality include the natural physical surrounding of the individual as well as his or her social and economic environment and personal habit. These are the some concept will be discussion from the source of data. The occurrence of death is vitally involved. The mortality of source of data, the occurrence of death is vital event of the information is usually obtained through the by system of registration of vital event. For developing countries, however, the system is usually very inadequate because all the events of death are not registered as a result. Registration data cannot be used meaningfully for the analysis of mortality. In the some major countries, Maharashtra such as Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur and Solapur, the registration system is function quite inadequately. Therefore, information of death available from the cities cannot be used is useful analysis for mortality in the absence of the adequate registration data. The National Census and Demographic Sample Surveys provide the alternate sources of information of mortality. It may be noted that, however, that only very rarely are data on death obtained directly through the census. Death rates is estimated on the basis of the available data on the age and sex distribution of population as contained in the two consecutive census operations. In a sample survey, it is not possible to collect data directly asking the questions on the number of deaths in household during the specific reference period. The demographic yearbooks in the United Nations provide the statistics on the number of deaths. The on the death by age and sex, infant mortality rates, causes of death for the various countries in the world. Sometimes the special issue of the demographic yearbook may be given data of the death with greater detail. Statistical reports of the World Health Organization also provide the information of mortality. Recently conducted of National Family Health Survey now provide the information of mortality in India and state. Now some measures and some mortality rates means various measures are employed in the analysis of mortality. It is however sufficient to describe the following three basic measures: understanding the process of mortality, crude death rates and infant mortality rates, the expectation of life and death. Now here will be discussion for one by one. Now mortality is defined as a demographic event of the death. Now since the death is a biological phenomena that is occur just once, each individual and analysis is simpler than say the study of fertility where the event of birth can occur with very frequently among the women. Mortality analysis began with good quality data on death and populations. The data is conventionally obtained from the vital registration system and population census respectively. The crude death rates and specific death rate means age, sex, and age and sex causes of death specific are simple measure of mortality. The other measures are based on life tables. Now here crude death rate. These are the some measure. First one is a crude death rate. The crude death rate is calculated by dividing the number of registered death in the year by the mid-year of population for the same year. This is the some definition of crude death rate as calculated by the crude death rate as calculated by dividing the number of registered death in the year. Dividing the number of registered death in the year by the mid-year of population for the same year. Now the rate is expressed by the 1000 populations a year. Now crude death rate is the number of deaths in the region's mid-year population. It is the formula number of death of the region divided by mid-year of population in the region multiplied by 1000. This is the formula for calculating by the crude birth rate. Now here crude death rate has a simple interpretation for it gives the number of deaths is occur due to on average per 1000 people in the community. It is relatively easy to compute requiring only the total population size and total number of deaths. Besides, it is the probability rates in the true sense of the terms. It represents an estimate of the chance for dying for a person belonging to the given population because the whole population may be supposed to be exposed to the risk and dying to something other. Now here mortality is another one more measures for specific death rates. Now the crude death rate is specific cause for death is calculated by similar way selecting death due to the specific cause. It is called a numerator and mid-year population as a denominator. Now thus cause the specific death rate is total number of death due to the some particular cause and divided by total mid-year populations. Now the rate could be made specific by selecting the numerator and denominator for each sex of the populations. Now here age. Now another one more measures for the mortality and death rates, mainly age specific death rates. Now full form short form is ASDR. Now age specific death rates as calculated from death rate and population both are specific and each age of the population. Thus as age specific death rates is ASDR is equal to number of deaths in a particular age group in a particular year in the region. Mid-year population of that age group in the region multiplied by 1000. Now here mortality age specific death rate is a type of central death rate, that is the rate relating to event in a given category during the year to the average population of the category. In high mortality situation, the death rate by age, that is the age specific death rates from the U-shaped curve indicating high mortality at the early and old age. Now at low level of mortality, the pattern of ASDR changes for J-shape indicating relatively high mortality in a very early period of life, which it drops to low level after the hazards of early lives and extending over a long period of life. Finally, they rise sharply of old age. Now here Infant mortality rate is another one more the calculation. Infant mortality rate is IMR to the alternative and in the sense improvement upon the age specific death rates is for age 0. In another words, upon death rates is infant children under the 1 year of age, it is called as defined as IMR means infant mortality rate is equal to DO means where DO means number of deaths among the children for 0 to n means last birthday, and where now multiplied by the number of live births and multiplied by 1000. Student will be discussed from what is mean by mortality, what is mean by death rate, and now which are the major from the calculating from group death rate, then each specific death rate, age specific death rate, and infant mortality rate. Student, today will be stop here. Any doubt, any query, and ask anytime, write a mail bharatgadak@ktgmcollege.ec.in. Student, today we stop here. Next lecture, next point to be covered next lecture. Okay, good day, bye bye.